guys, it's Evangelina, and today I'm going to be trying how to make slime. So I got this on YouTube Kids. This is a cool app. It's like only kid stuff, not like really bad stuff. So yeah. So what you're going to be making is a container. I'm just using this container. An old hair container. Yes, I do need to dry it out. So I'm just going to turn it. It says don't add too much. Let me fix this. So I'm only adding this much. Oh, I forgot. I am using okay. That's like a lot of too much. So now you're gonna add some soap. And that is how big you want your slime. And then it says mix good. I'm going to this. And now I'm going to start to mix it. I see it forming, like it's forming. And then it acts as, like, there's not a lot coming out. I'm gonna add more. Okay. There we go. It's starting to form now. I think you just need to add more soap if it stops. I'm gonna see it where it is. There we go. So as you can see, this one is a definite fail. Okay, here, messing it up. Oh, but I forgot. You have to add water to it, and then it should start to form. It's like forming a little. this is too watery, so I'm gonna add more. And if that doesn't help, oh, yes, that helped. So this is it right now. I think because I transferred the containers, because this container wasn't good to big. That's why it was like nothing was forming, but it was forming. And then it says add but keep on adding more. So things will like comes together. And then it says add because this helps your son get some sun, and it also helps it get. So as you can see, this sign did not work. It's like good, and yes, I'm going to be trying 3. I'm like going to be trying all of them because yeah, just now. Oh, it's working. I don't know if you've been using it for a long time, so it's not really good.